So is there a red light?
Yes. Yep. Blinking.
Does it blink?
Yep.
So we can start our removal of the penthouse lid. This is called the penthouse.
Okay. You have to take those screws out. Oh.
So there's maybe one or two. Lift on that side.
Hold on, just making sure they're all. Oh yeah, see this one's still on.
There you go.
Yeah.
There's one back there.
There's a couple that are. Alright. Should be good.
Nope, this one.
They go sideways and they latch on.
Oh, this here.
Oh. Oh no. Look at this. It has a USB.
Yeah, two of them back here.
That's
awesome.
Yeah. Wow.
So we have to do these. These are special E-bolts. So like BMWs.
Ah, see, that's the BMW one.
Yeah, the E. I think this is it. The E10.
That's like the cars that, you know, the models that go like E36.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, fits.
Bingo. Have you ever gotten shocked by the battery a little bit? Not even a little bit?
Nope. So these have rubber washers on them. You make sure you put the rubber washer back on.
Is that
so moisture, yeah. See how it ruins it once you take it off?
Or is that like that goo that they?
No, it's a rubber gasket. Okay. Oh, right here, all these.
Oh my god, here, give me.
Oh, I got this one.
Why do they use two different types of bolts?
Well,
like why
these five, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they hold down
more.
It's a computer screwed to the lid.
Oh, okay.
Because when we take this off, you're going to see this little computer adapter. It's a 12-volt controller. There's the DC controller that's bigger. But there it is. Wow. So that's the inside. They have a gasket around the edge to seal it from any moisture going into
no tampering
this
here.
battery.
This is
3 fuses, big bus fuses. And do you see the pyro fuse?
There it is, right here.
There it is, don't touch. Now this is that computer that was screwed to the lid. So, there you go.
So that's it.
That's it, we just unscrew that, don't touch those, and we'll plug in. Let's see what size. And we put everything.
Like a 15 maybe?
Yeah, I think so, the same as we used here. Now this is when I need to, because this is live. Here it is, hiding. Test it. That's it.
What is it?
15, I believe. No.
16?
Loose. No, this is 14? Loose, so 14.
Oh, wow. I thought it was going to be bigger, 15 or 16.
So it looks like my 14's missing. Yes, that's it. That's not it. Can you get me it from the front?
Yeah.
So this is a DC to DC converter here. This is the big contactor for charging. Not contactor, but a plug. So you unplug it and the big fat wires go to the charging port on the fender, on the quarter panel. This is the contactor. Boom. This is the contactor. So you know these go click real loud when you start the car. Go click.
Really?
Is that?
Yeah. When you had your old one, you would put 2 wires and you'd hear the click.
Yeah.
Remember when you jumped it? It's still loose, or does it?
Yeah, it's loose. 13.
You need a 13?
13. Hey, I got a 13 here. I realized. So, put that here. Now we'll open this pyro fuse up and I'll show you exactly.
Oh, like this?
See the little plug?
Yeah. Oh, look at it. Yeah. It goes inside. Yeah, it's a plug. Yeah.
It's a plug. That's the airbag plug. It goes to that computer. So when any accident happens, it wants to disconnect this from the car.
Let me get you the new one.
It's back here.
Oh, you got it.
On the lid. Yep. Let me throw that out. We'll open that and see if it is blown. So this goes this way.
Tesla goes, yeah, that way. Yeah.
This way, just like this. Battery's disconnected, right?
Hold on. Yes.
Okay.
Yep. Oh, it made a spark.
Where?
Right there on the metal plate where the...
You saw it?
Right here, yeah. It made a spark right here.
Because now it's connected.
Yeah, it made a spark right there. Just very little, but it did.
Yeah.
Now it's getting energy.
Yes. This...
Whatever's in it, it got a little bit of it.
This cuts off everything. And you don't want to touch this with this.
Make a short.
You don't want to short it. Doesn't get very tight, just kind of snug. Okay, man.
That's it. Let's put it back. We don't need to do anything else here?
Never.
Okay, awesome.
Never do anything else in here. That's water going through the battery right there.
Is that water or coolant?
Yeah, the
or
coolant.
The mix or whatever, yeah.
Ethylene glycol.
Is that reservoir in the front, is that where it comes from?
Yes.
Do you ever have to change that? Or
no, never.
Okay.
If you want to take any pictures here, time is now because
I already took pictures.
We are putting it back on. This is still blinking, right?
Yep.
So that's it. Okay, you're safe. Beautiful. Okay. Now, what's cool about this, this car will not run without the lid on.
Without the what?
This lid. So
without...
if you leave the lid off,
really,
the car won't drive.
Really? Oh, so it won't...
There's a
like
secret switch right here.
Was that what you were doing when yours didn't work?
Remember?
Where you have to jump
I could not figure out why I couldn't get it to run.
Ah.
Right here is a secret switch. These 2 bolts
Oh, you ran the wire to them. That's right.
have to be in.
Ah, electrocution. No,
Yeah, you remember them.
yeah, I remember that.
Yeah.
And then it would go click.
Yep, and then I can get
Yeah.
the contactors to
Yeah.
energize.
Yeah. I can't.
So I'm putting the gaskets back on so you know.
Oh, yeah. Good. Very good.
This
Very
one
good.
needs that gasket. This one has a gasket on it. Go ahead. Tighten them up. So that is, yeah, that's the wrong one. We need,
That's not, yeah, this is we need the non-BMW, Tesla, whatever. Oops. Let me put this away.
we need,
The little one.
hold on, let me do this one first. Yeah, let me do this one first.
Is that torque it just to a certain torque?
I'm doing it. It doesn't need to be tight. Just
But the machine itself torques it to a certain.
no,
You can't adjust
no. Just by the trigger.
it. I got you.
I can do it by the trigger. Okay. Now we swap the end of this to this one. This is the special $60 socket.
$60.
Let's start here.
Do it kind of like a tire or
Yeah.
rim where you diagonal.
Oh,
In and out. In to
yeah.
out, right?
I could. So I got these 4. Okay, do the over that side. I got these 4 done. That's it.
Okay.
Yeah, no, don't do that tight. That was too tight.
That was too tight. Did you do this one already?
No. Pulls your hand, stop.
Yeah. Oh, came out. Oh, I don't want to touch that.
Yeah, you can touch that. Oh man. But see, it's orange for a reason.
Yeah.
Just pull it slowly.
Yeah.
A little bit, not all the way.
I see. Oh.
There it is. Done. Yeah.
Gosh.
Do not lose that down there.
Oh my god.
Dude.
Can that fall down?
Yes. And I'll never get it
Dude,
again.
there's a gap.
We'll have
down
to take
there.
your battery
oh
out.
Oh my goodness.
For $60, I'll take the battery out. Don't lift that hard. That's it. Yeah. Thank you.
Oh, dude, that almost fell, dude.
Yeah. That was right
Okay.
there. One more? 2 more?
Like 3 more.
3 more. See, crushing the gasket?
Is it?
Yes. See it going down right there. That's it. That's it.
I don't know if I did this one.
You did that. You did that.
Yep.
Yeah. So, this here gives 12 volts to the car when this goes to the battery up front and charges it.
Oh.
It charges the front battery because there's no alternator.
Yeah, it's like I was about to say it's like an alternator.
So this charges the battery from the big battery. This charges, this
Wow.
powers,
Wow. Yeah.
This powers everything up front, all the 12-volt lightweight stuff. Put this controller wire back in. Okay. Whew.
I'll have the fan over here.
So put your braces in like this.
The what?
That one's the diagonal one, I believe.
Does the seatbelt go underneath one of these?
On top.
Like this?
Yeah. Around these holes. Yep. Perfect. The black bolt goes down to hold the seatbelt. That's a hardened bolt.
I'm guessing it goes. These right here?
No, the black one goes down there.
Where's the black one? I don't see it.
But yep, that's it.
So this one goes. Yours. Okay. Gotcha. Alright, that's fine.
This one.
Surprised these all have. Oh, I guess, yeah, they have a wheel.